En la era del consumo en línea e instantáneo, no suena exagerado decir que en un futuro cercano las compras literalmente nos llegarán del cielo.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, we saw a drastic shift in the way people think about on-demand delivery, where now almost everything you order online, you expect some sort of rapid delivery option.
It's not a substitution for your weekly grocery shopping. It's really more if you need one thing or you don't feel like going to the store. It replaces quick trips to Walmart. So, oh man, this was not a good one. One made it, let's see, 2, 3, 3 out of 6.